As IBM Consulting, we have put together the best that we can offer to our clients when it comes to accelerating the AI journey and building use cases at scale.
So, as we've seen last year, a lot of the work that was done around GenAI was around experimentation, really getting a feeling of this tremendous technology that we have today. And going forward, I think it's about moving to the next step. And that's why we have really invested in updating our AI scale framework. And strategy is where things usually start.
So strategy, not only what to do and where to head in terms of a vision, a mission, and a roadmap, but really starting from a strategy for every individual use case to figure out what's the value that it brings to our clients on every individual business challenge you are facing, and also taking consideration the feasibility and other aspects and really generating return on the investment in AI. The second aspect following on the strategy is the operating model, because to really leverage AI at scale, it will change the way how we work and also like the delivery and service model in the IT organization and beyond. So the operating model is composed of many different aspects, and one that I really want to point out that's the core of our framework is governance. Governance not only from an organizational governance point of view, but we at IBM, we take it one step further towards an AI trustworthy governance framework.
Exactly. And governance has multiple aspects. I think one of them, like Christina mentioned, is around the organization, but also from a technology point of view, how do you monitor all of those AI projects that you're putting into production? And besides really having a comprehensive process around enterprise governance for AI, it's also important to focus on the AI and data foundation that you need. So together with the data platform view and the AI foundation that we have put together, we really have a comprehensive starting point for customers to start scaling data and AI across the organization. And then last but not least, how do you actually start monitoring the full organization? And that's where the AI control center will play a big role. So we foresee that around at the center of the strategy, there will be an AI control center which will monitor all of the aspects of scaling AI, be it from value orchestration, the enablement of the organization, the technical capabilities, as well as the production of AI.
And what's at the base, the foundation for everything we do at AI at scale? Data. So revisiting what data platforms are in place, how ready are they for the AI at scale journey, what needs to be adapted in terms of infrastructure. All these are aspects that you need to have a look at in one way or the other. And obviously data and technology is the one end of the spectrum, but it only comes to life if you actually manage to unlock the potential in the workforce using AI. So people are absolutely crucial to make this change stick and to come to a sustainable long-term usage of AI use cases. And here, this people aspect is not only enablement, but also thinking from the very first step in every single use case. What does the experience look like? How can we trigger adoption by design, not starting to think about change management in the aftermath, but from the very beginning of the journey? And these are the pillars of the AI at scale framework that we wanted to introduce to you today. And hopefully we'll see many, many organizations embarking on a really successful AI journey.